Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to create whiteboard animation in Canva with AI. Now, in order to create a meaningful and engaging animation, you need a story. Now, this will be the foundation of your video, and if you already have an idea, that's great, but if not, you can always brainstorm your own or you can visit ChatGPT for help. Simply ask ChatGPT something like, "Give me a creative short story ideas for kids." And you will get a variety of options to choose from. So, for this tutorial, I'll be using a story titled The Magical Balloon. Now, once your story is ready, it's time to bring it to life with a voiceover. Now, you have two options. You can record your own voice if you want a personal touch, or you can use an AI tool like 11 Labs to generate a voiceover for free. So, here I copy the story from ChatGPT and pasted it into this 11 Labs and then choose generate speech and then download the audio. Now let's move on to creating the animation. For this, visit canva.com and log into your account. Once logged in, you will land on this Canva dashboard. Here on the home page, choose YouTube option. And for this video, I'm choosing YouTube Shorts, but you can go with any format that works for you. And once inside the editing canvas, look at the left side menu and click on Apps. Once inside the apps, in the search bar at the top, type Magic Media, and from the options that appear, choose the first one. Now, inside the Magic Media, choose Style, and you will see various art styles here. For whiteboard animation, the hand drawn style is ideal, but feel free to try other options as well. Open your story text. For example, the story begins with Once upon a time, a little red balloon escaped from Mia's hand. So, here in the box, search for an element like girl with red balloon, and Magic Media may take a few tries to generate the right image. Keep generating until you get a result you like. And once you're satisfied, click on the image to add it to your canvas. Once it is added onto your canvas, adjust the image, and after that, click on Add Page to create a new scene. And then continue with the story. For example, the next scene is It floated into the sky. So here I'm going to search for elements like red balloon flying over mountains, and then add the image to the canvas and customize by adding clouds, birds, or other relevant elements. And if you want to change the background color, then click anywhere on the background and then click on color from the top toolbar. And now you can change the background color to match the theme of your story. Now repeat this process of searching elements for all the parts of your story until each scene is complete. And once all scenes are ready, click on share in the top right corner and then choose download and then select PNG format and make sure to download each page. After this, go back to your Canva dashboard and open a new Canva design using the same dimensions you used earlier. After this, import all your PNG images, the ones you just downloaded. For this, go to Uploads and click on Upload File and choose the images and then choose Open. And once they're successfully uploaded into the Canva, place each image on a separate page. And now it's time to add your voiceover. For this, click on Audio and again choose Upload File and import your voiceover audio file. Once done, drag it to the bottom of the timeline. Now adjust the duration of each page so that it matches the timing of each scene in the voiceover. Now to make your animation more dynamic, move the timeline selector to the end of each scene. Then go back to 2 seconds, right click and then select Split Scene. Now this step is important because we will be adding animation later. Now go back to the app section and in the search bar type Speed Painter and then select this first one. Now this app has two options. The first is sketch duration. This is the time it takes to draw the image, and the other is color fill duration, and it is the time it takes to fill in the colors. So set a short sketch duration so viewers quickly understand what's being drawn. Then select the first image in the timeline and then click on generate. Now this is going to generate a video for you. Once it is generated, click on add and it will be added onto your canvas. Now resize the generated video to cover the entire canvas. Now once it is added, now it's time to add transition. So move the selector where you earlier splitted the video and here right click on it and choose add a transition. And from all these available options, choose dissolve. Now let's review the first scene. And before moving on to the next scene, add a slight transition between pages. This creates the effect of flipping a new whiteboard. Now repeat this process for each scene in your story. And once everything is in place, preview the full animation And if you're satisfied with how it looks, click on Share in the top right corner and choose Download. And select MP4 format to export your animated video. That's how you can create animation in Canva with AI.